What's up, guys, and welcome back to Mina and Alicia. It's Mina here, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I retwist my starter locks using aloe vera gel. The best thing about aloe vera gel on your starter locks is that it reduces the itch. So you know that super itchy, the reason why Alicia took her starter locks out, it reduces that, it reduces dandruff, and it promotes growth. And who doesn't like growth, okay? And yeah, let's get started.
First, I'm just gonna start by sectioning off my hair to make it a lot easier and make it manageable. I know you guys probably are looking at the back of my head and thinking, oh, her buildup is real, but skirt, no it is not. It is not buildup that's in the bottom of my starter locks. It is lint, okay? I don't know if that's like worse or what, but anyways, I washed my hair a couple of days ago and I've worn my scarves, and basically lint buildup comes from fabric. For method 1, you are going to need just a piece of aloe vera plant, and you are going to apply it directly to your new growth. I am not a really big fan of this method because it can leave aloe vera chunks in your hair, and I'm not for that. You're going to section off one starter lock. You're going to comb the base of the starter lock so that you can get a good twist, and you're just going to start off by twirling the starter lock around your finger to get a good twist, and then palm roll it. So you want to palm roll it to get a tight twist at the base of the starter lock, and then I just ravel the starter lock around my finger to get the excess hair locked around or twisted around the starter lock. You want to make sure that you clip your starter locks at the base of where the new grow is. Alright guys, I don't know if you guys can see this, but if you look closely, you'll be able to see how my part, it's a little messed up, and let me tell you where that came from. So whenever I went to the retwist shop that retwisted my starter locks, they actually took one of my starter locks that was small and joined it to a larger one, which is something that, you know, they're not supposed to do, but they do it anyways to speed up the process. So not only did they cause me massive buildup, but they joined two of my locks together. That is not okay. All right, guys, I'm going to show you method 2. So I'm going to show you guys actually how I make my aloe vera gel concoction, okay? So basically, we're going to pause this real quick, and I'm going to jump right into it so you guys can see how I make my aloe vera gel. For method 2, the purpose of making the gel was so that you didn't have to use a piece of the aloe vera plant itself directly on your hair. So basically, you're just going to use it like a regular gel. You're going to twist, you're going to palm roll, and then you're going to twirl, okay? Twist, palm roll, twirl. I'm concerned about parting more towards the front of my hair rather than the back, because nobody should be looking at the back of my head that hard, right? So I just take the comb, straighten that part up, and then start retwisting. Guys, of course, this is just a very repetitive video, but I wanted to give a shout out to those 32 loyal subscribers who subscribed to Mina and Alicia. Thank you so much for, following us and watching our videos. You're amazing. And of course, this one's for y'all because this is an up close and personal video. So make sure y'all stay tuned because we got more coming, okay? Alright guys, I'm on my last starter lock. Oh my goodness, let me tell you how tired I was. I was tired, okay? Usually a retwist only takes me a good 30 minutes, honestly, 25-30 minutes, but recording it and making sure that you guys get what you need out of this video took me a good hour and a half. Alright guys, it's time to sit under the dryer to let your retwist dry. Alright guys, this is the final product. If you liked the results of my retwist, make sure you subscribe to Mina and Alicia. Make sure you like this video and make sure you hit the post notification button so that you can be notified whenever we post new videos.